Hi there guys, just some quick shooting at the range, shooting my 22 long rifle CZ455 heavy barrel, made by a Czechoslovakian company called Česká Broď. And just a quick overview of the rifle here. I have a Harris bipod on it, the Seben installed for the camera, and we have the camera rolling here, and first shot, 55 yards. Aiming for the turkey's eye, of course. I'll be doing some neck shots on this turkey later on. I was basically just exercising myself with this 22 long rifle, as it has been sleeping somewhere in the gun vault for quite some time, as I shoot my air rifles almost exclusively, as you can read on my YouTube profile. Ammunition used here is German, RWS 100. And of course, at the end of the afternoon, I had some more shooting on a smaller target. And here the black part is about 4 inches in size. And I was just trying to get some more exercise with this rifle before cleaning it up at home, taking it apart, and just basically oiling it up again and putting it back in my vault. I just needed the exercise, and it was a fun day shooting. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. As usual, guys, thanks for watching.